Alright guys, it is here. I just went outside to pick up the iPhone SE from the delivery man. Thank you so much. Let's open this up. You know what, for the last 2 days I have been inside, not doing much, been very quiet, but as soon as I realized, hey, the phone is coming today, I'm like, I gotta do something. I gotta make some content. I gotta be outside. I think I live streamed for about 5 hours. What is it? Yesterday? No, 2 days ago. Time is really weird right now. But here, finally, this is garbage. This is it. This is the iPhone SE. I got this in 256 gigabytes in red, and I can't wait to do it. Oh shoot, I thought I was going to use this knife to open this up, but no, all you need is this. And by the way, the red one is a product red version, and that means that it's not going for AIDS research right now, but it's going for COVID-19 research. So let's open this up. Again, no need for a knife, that's gone. And then all we will do is open this up. Now for me, I use an iPhone 11 Pro, I use an iPhone 6s, and 6s Plus is my backups. I always have 2 SIMs, and this will be the second one. I'm going to be transferring my 6s Plus into this. Wow. Alright, so of course this is what comes here. No one cares about that. But this is the red color. And right now, you know what, maybe you have a better chance of seeing this than I do because all the light is on the phone. I can't really see it, it's dark. Wow. Okay, that is red. Taking this off here. Oh, that feels so nice. It's cold. Like, this is cold. Cold glass here. Apple logo in the proper place, because I see so many people putting videos out saying, oh, I have the iPhone SE, and it's just an iPhone 8 because the Apple logo is in the wrong place. But we're going to turn this on here. Oh, you can see I'm watching some YouTube. This is cool. This feels so nice. Alright. The weight feels nice. This red. Red, oh, I already have fingerprints on it, but that's just what I have. Wow, that's really nice. I did order this immediately from Apple. When it first pre-ordered at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Alright, so we have this here. I'm going to be quick starting this. This is basically, I have the phone now. Today is April 24th, Friday, April 24th, and it is 12:02, so I got it exactly at noon. I brought this up, turned the camera on, and started doing this. So we have the phone. I'm excited. I'm going to be setting this up, and I'll be using this and making more videos. So if you came for that, that's all we have. But now we can take a look and see what's in the packaging. This is stuff that I don't myself care about because literally I just start using it. I'm going to put my SIM card in there and that's it. But what you have here is you have your product red. Oh, I thought the stickers would be red for some reason, but I don't think they ever were. I've never had a product red product ever. I've always wanted red, and they always had different variations, but once I saw this red is beautiful. I gotta just show you this again. This red is beautiful. Look at that camera. Wait, can you see the camera? It's so nice. It is really nice. Safety and handling. Oh, the SIM pop-out tool. That's perfect because I'm just going to switch this up. And then what is this? Here's the side button. Here's everything. This is exactly what I was waiting for. And then if you didn't know, you get the 5-watt charger, not the, I don't even know what it is that you receive on the iPhone 11 Pro. And I have it, it's somewhere, but it's more than 5. And you get some wired lightning headphones, which is really, really cool. Alright guys, oh, and the iPhone lightning cable here. Not USB-C or anything. Alright guys, again, that's it. I'm going to be playing around with this. If you have any questions for me, or want to begin a dialogue, put that in the comments section below. What else? You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Like and applaud the video. That helps out immensely. And always subscribe, because again, that helps out so much. But this is the phone again. I'm excited. Let's get that camera there. That red is so beautiful. I'm so happy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon.